Happy New Year as day one comes to a close and we begin day two. Started a personal challenge yesterday, not because I need a New Year's resolution or a new challenge, but for me it's about rebuilding trust in myself. I've had a season where I said I was going to do things and I didn't do them. And that adds up. And how can you be there for the people that you need to be there for if you can't be there for yourself? You know, there's only one person that's with you your entire life, and that's you. So if you don't like that person, it's time to do something about it, make a change. This isn't about motivation. This isn't about aesthetics. It's not about proving anything to anyone watching this. It's just about keeping simple promises to myself, even at the times when I don't want to follow through, especially at the times I don't want to follow through. You know, that bed's warm. You need to get out of it. Start your day. Start doing things while you still have time. I'm not here to teach anyone. I'm just here to document. If we can spark discussion, if we could build community, then that's great. If you're here, then you're welcome to walk alongside me. That's it.